Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss complex numbers. Already we know complex numbers means it will be represented with z. Z is equal to x plus iy. Here x is denoted with a real part, and y is denoted with a imaginary part, real part and imaginary part, where I square is nothing but it is minus 1. Here we are representing I value is nothing but under root of minus 1. So in these complex numbers are very important role in a set. 2 or 3 questions will be appeared. It is very easy chapter. So we will discuss all points first. After that we will go to problems. So first point we have to discuss about additive inverse of z. Z is nothing but complex number x plus iy. Additive inverse of z is nothing but it is a minus z. So minus, what is z? X plus iy. When we have to multiply minus x minus iy. Additive inverse means we have to keep minus sign. Then multiplicative inverse of z will be represented by 1 by z. 1 by z means 1 by x plus iy. Whenever the denominator I appeared, you have to do rationalization, then it will belongs to the x minus iy by x square plus y square. X minus iy by x square plus y square. Like similarly, third point we will discuss about the conjugate of z is z bar. Z bar means it is a x minus iy. Means to finding the conjugate, I place will be replaced by minus I. Then we will go to absolute value. Absolute or modulus of z is mod z. Mod z is nothing but mod x plus iy. Mod x plus iy is equal to under root of x square plus y square. X square plus y square. So like if we will discuss arguments, argument of z1, argument is nothing but angle. Z1 into z2 is equal to argument of z1 plus argument of z2. Like here, argument of z1 by z2 is represented with argument of z1 minus argument of z2. Like here, argument of z1 and its complement plus argument of z1 bar is equal to 0, and argument of z to the power of n is nothing but n into argument of z. These all are argument properties. Then we will discuss about modulus amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form, or it is also called as polar form anna, modulus amplitude form anna same. How we will represent this one? Means if the z is having x plus iy, we will represent modulus amplitude form z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. It is also cos theta plus I sin theta is also represented with cis theta. R into cis theta. How we will calculate R? R is nothing but under root of x square plus y square. How we will calculate theta? From your question, theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Using this R value, theta value, we will find here modulus amplitude form or polar form. In this one more point, if Z1 is equal to R1 into cis theta 1 and Z2 is equal to R2 into cis theta 2. Then Z1 into Z2 is equal to R1 into R2 cis of theta 1 plus theta 2. If we will multiply these two complex numbers, we will represent this one. If we will divide these two complex numbers, R1 by R2 into cis of theta 1 minus theta 2. This is the modulus amplitude form or polar form. And the next one will be Euler form or now Euler's form or exponential form. And previously we have discussed modulus amplitude form or polar form. Now Euler's form or exponential form. This is nothing but Z is equal to R into e power I theta. This is the form where R is equal to under root of x square plus y square, and e power I theta is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta. Already we know theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Here theta is equal to, already we know, tan inverse of y by x. So next we have to discuss about log values. Log z, log of complex number, is nothing but log of r into e power I theta. This is also represented here log a into log b form. Log r plus I into theta. And log I value is I into pi by 2. And another one, sin of log I power I is equal to -1, where here -1 value under root of I is equal to plus or minus 1 plus I by root 2, and under root of minus I is equal to plus or minus 1 minus I by root 2. If under root of a plus ib, means we have to find square root of this complex number, that is equal to a under root a square plus b square plus a by 2. రూట్ దీనికి ఈ రూట్ ఏమో ఇక్కడికి ఎండ్ అయిపోతుంది, ప్లస్ I into under root a square plus b square minus a by 2. If that b value is less than 0, if here b value is greater than 0, so under root of a minus ib is equal, you can take formula a square plus b square plus a by 2 minus I into under root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. ఒక ఇక్కడ మైనస్ సైన్ చేంజ్ చేస్తే సరిపోద్ది. ఇఫ్ b వాల్యూ ఇస్ లెస్ దెన్ 0 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ b అయింది, గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 కాబట్టి ప్లస్ b అయిపోయింది. సో స్క్వేర్ రూట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ form. These two, addition and subtraction, is also important models, that are a plus ib plus under root of a minus ib is equal under root of 2a plus 2 into under root of a square plus b square, like under root of a plus ib minus under root of a minus ib is equal I into under root of minus 2a plus 2 into under root of a square plus b square. So if we will add these two, what happen? If we will subtract these two, what happen? These four forms are very, very important. And coming to one question will be appeared in De Moivre's theorem. De Moivre's theorem పైన ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. So in these three forms are there are 2 cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n is equal to here cos n theta plus I sin theta form లో ఉన్నప్పుడు పవర్ n అయితే cos n theta plus I sin n theta directly you can write its answer. If these two are interchanged means sin theta plus I cos theta whole to the power of n ఉంటే మరి cos theta plus I sin theta ఫామ్ మార్చాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి 90 తోటి షిఫ్ట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి cos ఆఫ్ n pi by 2 90 మైనస్ theta అన్నట్టు n pi by 2 మైనస్ n theta ప్లస్ I sin n pi by 2 minus n theta. We are shifting that one with 90 quantity. Next 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta by 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. And one question will be appeared in cube roots of unity మీద క్యూబ్ రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ యూనిటీ అనే దాని మీద మళ్ళీ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. హియర్ 1 ఒమేగా స్క్వేర్ ఆర్ క్యూబ్ రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ యూనిటీ దెన్ హియర్ 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. These two formulas we have to use whenever the omega square 1 appeared. Then here that cube roots values 1 means directly 1. Omega will be represented as -1 plus I root 3 by 2 and omega square is equal to -1 minus I root 3 by 2. Omega -1 plus I root 3 by 2. Omega square -1 minus I root 3 by 2. These are the points used to solve problems in complex numbers. So now we will discuss problems on these complex numbers. So the value of I to the power of 592 plus I to the power of 590 plus I to the power of 588 plus I to the power of 586 plus I to the power of 584 by I to the power of 582, 580, 578 ఇలా ఇచ్చింది. When we are observing these two 10 గ్యాప్ is there. ఇక్కడ 92 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 82 ఉంది, 10 గ్యాప్ ఉంది. సో I to the power of 10ని కామన్ తీస్తే I to the power of 582 plus I to the power of 580 plus I to the power of 578 plus I to the power of 576 plus I to the power of 574 divided by denominator part as it is 582 plus I 580 plus I to the power of 578 plus I to the power of 576 plus I to the power of 574. These two are cancelled. Then remaining part enti I to the power of 10. Here -1 is there. -1. I to the power of 10 em rachu I square whole to the power of 5 -1. I square ante -1 to the power of 5 -1. So here -1 that is -2. సో ప్రాబ్లం పెద్దగా ఉండొచ్చు కానీ సొల్యూషన్ చాలా చిన్నది దీంట్లో. సో క్లియర్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే దొరికిపోద్ది ఆ పాయింట్. కమింగ్ టు సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం, ద రియల్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ a plus ib by a minus ib is dash. Option A 2ab by a square plus b square. Option B a square minus b square by a square plus b square. Option C a square plus b square by a square minus b square. Option D 2ab by a square minus b square. ఇలా ఇచ్చిండు. సో టేక్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఈ ఏ బి ప్లేస్లలో ఏదైనా వాల్యూ ఇవ్వచ్చు, రియల్ పార్ట్ అడగవచ్చు, ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ అడగవచ్చు. ఎలా చేయాలో చూడండి. ఏ ప్లస్ ఐబి బై ఏ మైనస్ ఐబి, డినామినేటర్లో ఐ ఉంటే రేషనలైజ్ చేయాలి, అంతే. రేషనలైజేషన్ ఒకటే మార్గం. సో డినామినేటర్లో మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ తోటి, ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్ తోటి. ఏ ప్లస్ ఐబి బై ఏ ప్లస్ ఐబి, అప్పుడు ఏమైంది? ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ అండ్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఐబి ప్లస్ ఐఏబి ప్లస్ ఐఏబి ప్లస్ ఐ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ బి బై హియర్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ minus I square b square. Here I square means minus 1. So a minus b, a, this I square is equal to minus 1, a minus b plus I into 2ab by here a square plus b square. I square minus 1, minus into minus plus. So here real part, a minus ib by a square plus b square plus I into 2ab by a square plus b square. This is the real part, and this one will be imaginary part. రియల్ పార్ట్ అయినా అడగవచ్చు, ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ అయినా అడగవచ్చు. ఈ ఏబి ప్లేస్లలో వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ ఏం అడిగిండు? రియల్ పార్ట్. సో యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఏ మైనస్ బి. ఏంటి? ఏ స్క్వేర్, సారీ, హియర్ a square minus b square, a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So option B is correct answer. A into a ne rasam, a square. Next third question, the complex number, the complex conjugate of 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square is option A minus 2 plus I 11 by 25, option B minus 2 minus I 11 by 25, option C 2 minus I 11 by 25, option D none of the above. So you can consider this problem 2 minus I by 1 minus 2i whole square. సో డినామినేటర్లో ఏ మైనస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మళ్ళీ ఐ ఉంది. సో 2 మైనస్ ఐ, ఏ మైనస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏ స్క్వేర్ 1 మైనస్ 2ab, 2 ఇంటూ 2 4i ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ అంటే బి స్క్వేర్ ఏమైంది అంటే 4i స్క్వేర్, ఐ స్క్వేర్ అంటే మైనస్ 1. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ 3 2 minus I by minus 3 minus 4i. డినామినేటర్లో ఐ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి? రేషనలైజ్ చేయాలి. రేషనలైజ్ తర్వాత కాంజుగేట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో మైనస్ 3 ప్లస్ 4i బై మైనస్ 3 ప్లస్ 4i. యూ కెన్ మల్టిప్లై హియర్ 2 ఇంటూ 3 minus 6 plus 8i plus 3i, here 4i square minus 4i square, I square అంటే plus 4 minus into I square అంటే minus 1 minus into minus plus 4 by here 9 plus 25, sorry 16, 9 plus 16. So here minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2 plus 11i by 25. This is the z value. Just till now I am simplifying. Now you can find conjugate. Conjugate ఏమైతే అప్పుడు conjugate of z is nothing but z bar, that is nothing but I place will be replaced by minus I by 25. So here minus 2 minus 11i by 25. Option B is correct answer. Coming to another question, mod 4 plus 3i by 5 plus 12i is option A 5 by 13, option B 15 by 169, Option C 2 by 17, D 25 by 169. So this is nothing but magnitude. You have to find 4 plus 3i by 5 plus 12i is nothing but 4 ki mod find out cheste under root of 4 square plus 3 square by under root of 5 square plus 12 square, that is under root of 4 square 16 plus 9 by under root of 25 plus 144, that is under root 25 means 5, 169 means 13, 5 by 13. Option A is correct answer. Coming to next problem, the least positive integral value of n such that 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power of n is equal to 1 is option A 2, B 4, C 6, D does not exist. So whenever like this appear, you have to take inside value first. 1 plus I by 1 minus I. First you have to rationalize this part. 1 plus I by 1 minus I into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. Then you can multiply this one. 1 into 1, 1. Here I again plus I square minus 1 by 1 square plus 1 square. That is nothing but minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 2I by 2 cancel I. So here you can substitute I to the power of n is equal 1. So already I square is equal, we know, minus 1. I power 4 is equal 1. So n value should be least value 4. Least value is 4. Next question. If omega is an imaginary cube roots of unity, then 1 plus omega minus omega square whole to the power of 7 is option A 128 omega, option B minus 128 omega, option C 128 omega square, option D minus 128 omega square. So here 1 plus omega minus omega square whole to the power of 7 is equal to 1 plus omega means we know already 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, omega cube is equal to 1. So here 1 plus omega means this side elte minus omega square whole to the power of 7, minus 2 omega square whole to the power of 7, minus 2 to the power of 7 omega to the power of 14, minus 128 omega cube whole to the power of 4 into omega square. Omega cube ante 1 to the power of 4 means 1, minus 128 omega square. Option D is correct answer. Coming to next problem. If under root 3 plus I whole to the power of 100 is equal 2 power 99 into A plus IB, then A square plus B square is equal to dash. So ఇది చాలా సార్లు వచ్చింది ఈ క్వశ్చన్, ఇంపార్టెంట్. How to solve this one? You can find its magnitude. A square plus B square. I పోవాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? కంపల్సరీ magnitude find out చేయాలి. Mod root 3 plus I whole to the power of 100 is equal 2 power 99 mod into A plus IB. So mod find out is under root of root 3 whole square plus 1 square whole to the power of 100 is equal 2 power 99 into under root of A square plus B square. Square root cut here 4 means 2 square, 2 power 100 is equal 2 power 99 into a square plus b square. 99 పోతే ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. సో అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ a square plus b square is equal to 2. That is nothing but a square plus b square is equal 4. So here options A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Your answer is 4. Your answer is 4. Next problem, under root of 15 plus 8i plus under root of 15 minus 8i is equal to dash. Option A 8, B 15, C 23, D none of the above. So how to solve this problem? Means we have formula under root of a plus ib plus under root of a minus ib is equal to under root 2a plus 2 into under root of a square plus b square. You can substitute there under root of 2 into 15 plus 2 into under root of a square 15 square plus 8 square. 8 square means 64. Here it is 225 plus 64. Here 30. This is the 17. Under root of 30 plus 2 into 17 34. Under root 64. That is nothing but your option is A. Answer is A. Coming to next problem, if z is equal 7 minus I by 3 minus 4i, then z to the power of 14 is option A 2 power 7, B 2 power 7i, C minus 2 power 7i, D minus 2 power 7. So important model. So z is equal to given there 7 minus I by 3 minus 4i. So you have to rationalize. Denominator లో అయి ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్ మనం చేయాల్సింది రేషనలైజే. సో 3 plus 4i by 3 plus 4i. Finally you can simplify this one. You can multiply 25 plus 25i by 25. So the common 25. Here 1 plus I will be appeared. So 1 plus I means that is root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. How it is appeared? Under root of 1 square plus 1 square means root 2. Root 2 toti multiply divide చేయండి. Root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2. So 1 by root 2 means cos 45 plus I sin 45. I sin 45. Now z to the power of 14 is equal root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power of 14. So root 2 to the power of 14 అంటే 2 power 7 into cos 14 pi by 4 plus I sin 14 pi by 4. Here 7s are 2s are 7s are 2s are. So 2 power 7 into cos 7 pi by 2 plus I sin 7 pi by 2. Cos 7 pi by 2 means it is 0 plus I into 1, 0 plus I into minus 1, I into minus 1, that is nothing but minus 2 power 7 I. So your option C is correct answer. Option C is correct answer. Next, the value of I to the power of 242 is option A 1, B minus 1, C I, D minus I. So I to the power of even number is there. I square whole to the power of 121. I square means minus 1 whole to the power of 121. This is nothing but odd. Odd means this is minus 1. Minus 1. Coming to next problem. The value of here 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole square minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole square is dash. Option A 0, B 1, C minus 1, D 2. ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఇండివిజువల్ లోపల చేయండి. 1 ప్లస్ ఐ బై 1 మైనస్ ఐ ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ ఐ బై 1 ప్లస్ ఐ రేషనలైజేషన్. 1 ఇంటూ 1 1 ప్లస్ ఐ ప్లస్ ఐ మైనస్ 1 బై 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 స్క్వేర్. minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 2i by 2 that is I. ఈ పార్ట్ చేయండి. 1 minus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I by 1 minus I, that is nothing but 1 and minus 1 minus I minus I and minus into minus plus I square. I square means minus 1 by 1 square plus 1 square, that is nothing but here minus 2i by 2, that is minus I. You can substitute here I square minus of minus I square. So I square means minus 1 minus I square, that is a minus I square means again here minus 1. I square means minus 1, minus into minus plus, that is 1 minus 1 plus 1, your answer is 0. Your answer is 0. Like similar problem, if 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole cube minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole cube is equal to x plus iy, then x comma y is dash. Option A 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2. Option B 0 comma minus 2. Option C 2 comma 0. Option D minus 2 comma 0. So already we know this one, 1 plus I by 1 minus I means this is I cube minus minus I whole cube, that is I cube means I square into I, or I cube ఈ మైనస్ లోపలికి వస్తే ప్లస్ ఐ క్యూబ్, దట్ ఈస్ 2i క్యూబ్, 2 ఇంటూ ఐ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ ఐ, దట్ ఈస్ ఐ స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ minus 1 minus 2i, that is nothing but 0 minus 2i, 0 comma minus 2, 0 comma minus 2. B is your answer. B is your answer. Next, coming to mod 3 minus 4i into 3 plus 4 plus 3i, 4 plus 3i is option A 5, B 10, C 15 and D 25. So here you can multiply this one, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, or otherwise directly you can take under root 9 plus 16 into under root 16 plus 9, that is nothing but under root 25 into under root 25, 5 into 5, that is 25. Your answer, mod. Like similarly another one, mod 7 minus 24i, 7 minus 24i by 3 plus 4i is option A 3, B 5, C 7, D 9. So how to find? Under root of 7 square 49 plus 5 76 by under root of 9 plus 16, that is under root 625 by under root 25. 625 means 25 by 5. Your answer is 5. Option B. Option B is correct answer. The additive inverse of 4 plus 3i is dash. Option A 4 plus 3i, option B 4 minus 3i, option C minus 4 plus 3i, option D minus 4 minus 3i. ఇలా ఇచ్చింది క్వశ్చన్. సో additive inverse of z is nothing but minus z. So here z value is 4 plus 3i, then minus z means minus 4 minus 3i. So option D is your correct answer. The multiplicative inverse of 7 plus 24i is dash. So simply it will have multiplicative inverse is equal to 1 by z, 1 by x plus iy, after rationalizing x minus iy by x square plus y square, that is nothing but x 7 minus 24i by x square, 7 square into 49 plus 576, that is 1 by 625 into 7 minus 24i. This is your corresponding answer. Now coming to the another problem, modulus amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form of 1 plus I root 3 is dash. Option A cis pi by 3, option B 2 into cis pi by 3, option C 2 into cis minus pi by 3, option D root 2 into cis pi by 6. So here z is given 1 plus I root 3. You can find r is equal to under root of 1 square plus root 3 whole square, square root cancel, and a root 4 means 2. So now modulus amplitude form is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. What is theta? Tan inverse of y by x. Y means tan inverse of root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 means tan inverse of tan pi by 3. Here theta value is pi by 3. R value is 2 cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. 2 into cis pi by 3. Option B is correct answer. So coming to next problem, under root of 8 minus 6i is equal to, and a minus b is equal to square root find out cheyali. So under root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus minus I into under root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. You can substitute this value here, it is a b, you will get its corresponding answer. Here if 1 comma omega square are cube roots of unity, then 1 plus omega to the power of 4 plus omega to the power of 11 is equal to dash. Option A 0, option B 1, C 3, D 2. So simply you can take this problem 1 plus omega cube into omega plus omega cube whole to the power of 3, 9 into omega square. So that is 1 plus omega cube and 1 plus omega cube 1 to the power of cube means 1 only. 1 plus omega square means it is 0. Option A is your corresponding answer. So clearly you have to practice. Definitely you will get full marks from these complex numbers. So it is very easy chapter to understanding and remembering. So at least 3 questions are appeared in your ESET examination point of view. All of you practice this one, and first whatever told points you have to note down that one. That questions only appeared in your examination point of view. Thank you all. practice more, you will get good score.